Hi guys, you're watching advanced tutorials, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys how to draw an equilateral triangle. There will be two cases. One will be when the side of your triangle is given, and another one will be when the altitude of your triangle is given. I will also be sharing with you guys how to draw a square with the help of a compass. So without further ado, let us start with the very first, that is how to draw an equilateral triangle. Suppose the question asks you to draw an equilateral triangle whose side is equal to how much? I'll take it equal to 5 centimeter. Alright, next what you need to do is, first of all, you need to fix this drafter at the 0 error and draw a horizontal line of length how much? 5 centimeters. So here it is. But this line should be a dark line because it is the base of your triangle. I will name it as A and this as point B. So this is the base of my triangle, AB. Next, what I will do is, I will take this compass, open this compass equal to the length of this line. So here it is. Then I will position this compass at point B and draw a dim arc in the upper direction. Alright, next I'll switch to point A and draw another dim arc which will intersect my first arc at certain point. I will mark that point and name it as point C. Next, I will simply join this point C with point B and point A with point C. But these lines should always be dark because it represents the true shape of your triangle. Alright, so this is the triangle whose side, this is an equilateral triangle, sorry, whose side is given. How much? That is equal to 5 centimeter. Now I'm going to share with you guys how to draw a triangle whose altitude is given. How much? Let us suppose I will take it equal to 6 centimeters. Alright, so what you need to do is, you simply need to take this drafter and draw a horizontal line, but a dim line, not the dark one. So here is the line, I'll name it as AB. Alright, next you need to draw a perpendicular line at any point on this line AB. So here is the perpendicular, this will be the altitude of my triangle. How much? It is given in the question that the altitude of your triangle is equal to 6 centimeters. So I'll take this 6 centimeter, but this line should also be dim. So here is a 6. Next, what I will do is, I'll take this compass at any random radius. Alright, first let me name this as P and let me name this as Q. And I will place it at point Q and draw a dim arc. Alright, this arc will intersect my line PQ at certain point. I'll name it as point, let us suppose this is point C. Now you need to take this compass with the same radius and draw an arc which will intersect my first arc on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. And you need to mark those points where it intersects my first arc. I'll name it as D and this is point E. Next, what you need to do is, you need to draw a perpendicular bisector of this line. You need to first, if you wish, you can join these two lines. But remember guys, that should be very dim. Here is the line. Alright, next I will draw a perpendicular bisector of this line. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? I'll take the radius of this compass little less than the length of this line DC and draw an arc in this direction and in this direction. Then I'll take the compass with the same radius at point D and draw an arc in this direction and in this direction. This will intersect these two arcs will intersect each other at certain point. I'll mark those points. So here is the point, here is another point. Next, what you need to do is, you need to join these 2 points and extend that line to this line, that is the AB line. Here am I extending this line, and also from this direction to point Q. But remember guys, this should be a dark, because this is the true shape of your triangle. Next, I'll repeat the same procedure on this side. This time I won't draw the line, I'll simply take the perpendicular bisector. I'll draw an arc in this direction and in this direction as well. Then I'll switch to point C and draw another arc in this direction and in this direction. These arcs will again intersect each other. I'll mark those points. Alright, then I'll take the scale and simply join these points. And I will extend it to the line AB. This line will intersect my line AB. Suppose I'll name it as Q, and this is point R. I will also make this line RQ dark as well, because this is the base of your triangle. So this is a triangle whose altitude is given. Next, I will show you how to draw a square with the help of a compass. Alright, now I'm gonna share with you guys how to draw the square with the help of a compass. Suppose the question asks me to draw a square whose side is equal to, let us suppose it is equal to how much? It is equal to 4 centimeter. Alright, what I will do is, I'll first of all take this mini drafter and draw the horizontal line of length, how much? 4 centimeters. So here is the horizontal line. But remember guys, it should be dark one, because it is one of the sides of your square. And I will name it as AB. Alright. Next, what I will do is, I'll take this mini drafter to point A and draw a vertical line, but a dim line. Here it is, a vertical line, but a dim one. Then I will take this compass and open it equal to the length AB. Alright, I will place this compass at point A and draw an arc which will intersect the vertical line at certain point. I will mark that point and name it as point, let us suppose C. Alright, next I will make this line AC a dark one, because this represents another side of my square. So here it is. Next, what I will do is, I will take this compass with the same radius equal to AB, and I will place it at point B and draw an arc, a dim arc. Here it is. Then what I will do is, I will switch to point C and draw another arc which will intersect my first arc at certain point. But remember guys, these arcs should always be dim. Now what I will do is, I will simply join this point. Let me name it as D. I will simply join this point G with point B. This line should be dark because it represents the true shape of your square. I will also join this point D with point C. So this is your square whose side is given, and you can see that I have drawn it with the help of a compass. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you.